What's up, YouTube? It's boy B back with another video, man. And today it's kind of eventful. I'm hosting a Chevy meet today. That's gonna go down, and then of course, you know, we're gonna get some Mexico action, get that going on. So today gonna be pretty eventful. Happy holiday to everybody. Hope you got a 3-day weekend. Unfortunately, I don't. In the life of sales, you're lucky to get Christmas off. So, you know, it is what it is. That's what you signed up for. That's the sales life. So, I love it. But today, man, we're going to go ahead and get this video going. I know it's been a while since I dropped my first video. So, I'm trying to get this in a routine and get it motion. And pretty much just get going, get the day started. It's a good little cold start, even though it's hot outside. A little cold start. Got the meat sticking out, you know what I'm saying? Yep. We're gonna go ahead, jump in the car, get going. Yeah, if you already not following me on my socials, go ahead and do so, man. I post a lot of my racing content and everything on Facebook, and then of course my car page. But yeah, if you already not following me, man, go ahead and make that move. Definitely, so you can stay in the loop of me and the channel, and of course my car, and then life as well. So go ahead and do so for me. But yeah, go ahead and get this day going, man. Probably first thing first, definitely gonna hit up Mexico, see what's going on over there, and then you know, 4 o'clock is the meet, so I'm gonna see who pulls up. A few people have been texting me, asking me for the location, because I ain't put the location out because it is a Chevy meet, you know. But of course, you know, people don't follow directions, so we'll see. People show up, and then pretty much that'll be the day. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera again once I get going and things like that, and see you in a bit. Super slow ass ass, yeah, right. This motherfucker. No, I don't need no. Yeah, man, it's just getting the gas up, bro. Gonna head over to the meet real quick. Got them lovely gas prices over here. Let's change it right there. You think we in Illinois? Yo, get that ice cream sound. Get that ice cream sound.
Happy as hell, shot ice cream. I'm gonna fuck it up.
He said they been in there since March.
My mama here, he got the white balls on fold.
$4? He said $4 for a Spider-Man ice cream.
He got a lawn chair that bitch. You see it?
Bro, that's the barbecue. Bro, that's the damn. You gonna do me?
You gonna be alright? They know they gonna see the real. That's on your YouTube channel, boy.
Yeah.
Everybody, I'm Frank Edge Strava, though. I got Frank Edge Strava, real like
Oh shit.
Hey, B, I give you 100. You jump his drive seat right now. I ain't gonna lie. By the time he get there, his ass gonna be motherfucker. His ass is hell.
You say,
You say
so. You say ran off with the ice cream truck. Hey, that'd be the funniest shit. Hey, Hey, the big dude come steal the ice cream truck, run off with the truck, bro.
Ice cream. I'm finna fry. Sure, take ice cream for sure. Your ass look like Jimmy Neutron.
Here I'll go.
His ass look like Jimmy Neutron. Your ass look like motherfucking Muddy Waters. Your ass look like Dr. Yeah, like Muddy Waters from fucking Cadillac Records, right? No. His ass look like Kill Bill. Everybody got over there. What we bitch? You package that bitch, making that bitch fucking free. Thank they ass, Thank they ass.
Look at him. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that on camera?
Yeah, I got it on camera.
Tell P to get his stupid, dusty ass outside.
His ass put up, bro. He ain't coming outside.
I know you.
I love that plate.
Right now.
That's the best plate. Where you gonna get your socks plate, bro?
45 days.
And what it say?
Pending.
It say what?
Pending.
Pending. That's what the plate say?
Oh, you talking about the plate say? NPCD. No, NPC 1.
NPC 1.
Nip. I couldn't do Nipsey, so I just took the I and the Y and the I and the E out.
So say it again, because I ain't getting it.
NPC,
NPSY?
No, NPC.
Oh, they gonna think your ass talking about NPC like a computer.
Like a computer, yeah.
You funny as hell. Why you couldn't do NPSY?
I couldn't do shit. When I tell you, I think it's because Nipsey. But they can't do shit. I can't do nothing.
Oh.
Because if I could do Nipsey, I would have had that on my plate.
Hey, my tires do look meaty. This man got the Z28s on now. He don't know what to do.
What? Just wait till this great
Funny as hell. He swear he don't like this gray, but I think the gray look better than the blue. But you know, yellow the best color, so.
You right. That's the original Bumblebee, right?
Yep,
Well, Kicks got the original.
Nah, he got the OG. I just got the revised, updated version.
You got the Transformer 3? No, you got the Transformer 2.
No, that was 3.
Transformer 3.
No, you might be right. You might be right too, because what's the body style 14?
Right.
And it took them probably 2 years in the gap. Yeah, you're probably right.
I think 3 is
3?
Transformers 3, isn't that?
4 was when they switched over to these.
Yeah, but it was like, it was JB model. It was JB and model.
Yeah. And then the newer ones is your model.
So they did have. Bumblebee was this.
Yep.
I thought he was over long model.
No. You know where it started off at? Started off at the Kicks. Then it go to mine. Then it go to that 16. Then you.
Old Oscar.
Yeah, old Oscar. Yep. Hell yeah.
You would have come out with another Transformer.
Shit, they said the other one was pretty good. I ain't even gonna check it out.
I watched it. I don't like the design. I'm busy with my babies.
He did the hood. He did the lip. And then what you do, black out the chrome, right? You ain't black out the chrome? It looked like it.
I took the red SS.
Oh, yo, SS badge black.
I know. I took that off. I put the black SS. This came off the old car.
Oh, damn. Okay.
This came with the car. This is red. I changed that.
Yeah. I might have to do a POV one day. Me driving a 10-speed SS.
You turn into Monte?
Hey, I ain't turning into no Monte. Look good though.
I need to do the roof.
Oh, the top.
I mean the roof.
Roof, yep. Because you ain't got no roof no more, so you can do that. That look good too. Yeah.
I need to figure out how to take this off.
Yeah. Looking good, boy. And it's complete. Yep. I already know it. Hell yeah. You know. Yeah, man. So we pretty much just waiting for shift change for the Mexican authorities, so we can go ahead and get a few runs in. We got I think a couple big races going on tonight, because today just been a wishy-washy day. Plus it was hot, so nobody, really racing in hot weather. It don't mix. So, we pretty much just waiting for the shift change for them, and then I'll make sure to get that on video for y'all, of course. In the meantime, can I get the bus? Damn, bro, I can't get the car? Yeah, in this car right here.
Not going to the 8th though.
No, I need to go to the 8th. Why would I go to the... Bro, here's where he be killing me at, bro. This is not a quarter-mile car yet.
My car isn't a quarter-mile car either.
Yes, it is.
What, because it's a 10-speed?
No, it's an SS. What do you mean, a 10-speed? That shit don't matter. If I had a 5th-gen SS, you still would fucking blow the doors off me.
Nah, not really.
That's why I wouldn't even jump.
Says,
yeah, but he's cammed. He modded, bro. He got headers. Well, now he finna be cammed, so he finna be over.
Oh, yeah.
He finna be
when
over.
When you put that cam, I think that's
yeah, because he something with the lifter or some shit like that. So once he do that, he opened the engine up. So he might as well drop one in there. So
he was in that same predicament.
Yup, engine was fucked up and redid it. And bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, I know you bone stock and all, man. But I still need that room. I don't know why you say not to the 8th, like you not fast. You see that? Y'all, I know y'all see that, but
I do 4 cars to the quarter.
4 cars to the quarter. Bro, you finna catch me,
four
bro.
Cars in the hit to the quarter.
You're gonna catch me.
5 cars in the hit to the quarter.
You're gonna catch me. You trying to Allen me, bro. No.
6 cars in the hit to the quarter.
Now that I'll take.
6 cars in the hit?
I'll take 6 in the hit.
I'm not betting money though.
I ain't doing it there.
You already know. You know me by now. I'm not a racer, so I'm not betting money. I'm racing for real. And I got the rims on. Why the fuck am I trying to race you? Fuck
you good. You good.
No.
I can make a call real quick, and we can make this interesting.
I'm not racing.
Okay.
Who you finna call? You finna call P?
Maybe.
Shut up. And what you want? I'm not doing nothing less with JV. I'm not doing nothing less. I need room. Nothing less than 3 times.
I'll give you the bus again, but you're not getting the hit.
I need
No, you don't.
I need the hit.
That car gonna spin, bro.
Yes, it is too.
No, it's
I did
not.
test this with these.
You tested
I
it?
spin.
You tested with these new tires you got?
New tires, I still spin.
Not trying to hear it.
You want me to do a test hit?
You don't need to do a test hit. And matter of fact, we might be at the other spot. No, not the Rosebud. You ain't never been. It's literally, you'll see. Yep.
I ain't gonna lie. I want to go to Jefferson.
No, because at that same time, that's gonna be going on. So.
I thought you was talking about like now.
Oh no, Jefferson and Polk is
late, like 9,
10, 11. And they're gonna be out because nobody got work tomorrow.
And that's why I want to go, but I don't want to go because last time I went, it wasn't Davo. It was the nigga that had the same exact car as Davo. That's when he was doing the burnout and he made that shit hot. And then he ran.
That's because it's a fucking he a Charger, right? Yeah.
The same color as Davo.
As soon any moped that do all that, bro, they own them. They do not play about that shit no more. That's why niggas be trying to hurry up and do it and stop.
Yeah, that's when that sketch slammed into that Escalade. Remember I told you?
Oh, yeah.
He slammed into the Escalade and then broke his whole 4G out.
Dumb as hell.
Pissed.
I bet he was. Oh, yeah, you got him, man. Kicks got you, bro. Now let's get in the car and make some money.
I need a car in the hit, huh?
You in the car in the hit?
I need a car in the hit.
No, give him the. No. You get the break. You get the break.
A break?
You get the
Hands
break.
up in the break.
You get the break. Go ahead.
I'm not running back.
Hey man, watch y'all step, bro. Hey! Hey!
What?
You got the break, so just go.
Yeah, hands up in the hit.
All right.
We ain't in cars, motherfucker.
Okay.
We catch our breath.
But y'all got the camera rolling, bro. I'm finna cut this.
You ready? You ready? Yeah.
Yep. He got him. Oh, man. Damn. You do need the car in the brake then.
My feet hurt.
All right, put your shoes back on now. It's over. Damn. 0 for 2. And he smoked, and you don't. Now what? How you feeling? You feeling good? It would have been better if he put some money up. It would have been better if he put some money up.
We gonna compare this like cars.
Okay.
Look at the weight. Look at the weight difference.
So what you supposed to be, a Charger and here a Corvette?
You too.
Y'all crazy, bro.
I'm more like a Escalade right now. You
A Corvette, a Camaro,
he a Camaro.
a 6th gen Camaro, not a 5th gen.
Nah, he a 5th gen. He a 5th gen.
No, he a 6th
I'll be a
gen.
Camaro, but he a SS.
A Chevy SS?
Shit.
Bro. His ass a Charger.
Chevy SS. I'll say that. Low key fat as hell.
That car fat as hell.
Damn, I haven't did that shit in like 4 years. You want to hit?
It would have been better if y'all put some money up.
Man, shut up.
Now what you want to do?
We doing this shit for fun, nigga.
What you wanna do?
Kinda hit next.
What you want to do?
Kinda hit next.
Man, y'all over, bro. Put y'all shoes back
All right, we
on.
doing just one more. This the last race.
One more shit. Ooh. 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 Yeah, boy. You got that W now. Hey, you could have put $5 on it. You could have put $5 on it.
I want to race CPD.
Yeah, oh, shit. CPD not on shit, bro.
Yeah, I need my shoes.
Yeah, because I'm sure you got rocks under your shit.
Boy, my feet hurt so much.
I know. Go ahead, put those shoes, them socks back, sliding back on.
If I was prime high school, it'd be over. Nah, you don't. You prime high school? I'm talking about me prime high school versus you now.
Oh, what the fuck? That's OD.
Oh, that beat your ass by like 3 cars.
You want to do shit.
Yeah.
Boy, linebacker me,
Get in the pool.
linebacker Darius.
Get in the swimming pool with me. It's over.
Get in a what?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Oh, I can swim, motherfucker.
So we can go all the way down to the deep end in the back.
Deep in back. I'm the wrong nigga. I'll fuck you up. Swim pool. I'm not betting money.
You know, B has gonna say
This shit ain't free.
Yeah, Mr. Pull up with no hood, you fast. You got the bus.
Hey, B, race me. On feet.
Get your goof ass. I need the bus and the brake.
Bust in the brake, tree to tree. Come on.
Bus and the brake to my car.
Tree to tree.
No.
got a bus.
No.
It's right there.
Got the bus.
No, do you see me, bro? No, bro.
Oh,
Nigga, I'm a BON as well.
Brian!
I'm a BON too. You got another one?
It's cold.
No, if it's yours, no.
Oh, hell no. What you offer that shit in for? Damn, you got me excited. Damn. You gotta pull out some water. You can't pull no water out. I'm addicted to water. I should have drunk that lemonade.
On Doty days, I'm gonna start bringing gallons.
Dude, bring a cooler and sell it for $1, bro. I'm telling you, we'll make a killing, bro. That's what TJ be doing.
What's Zay at? Zay was supposed to be here.
He just texted me. He'll be here.
The bottom of my
He
feet
texted me like
weird
10
as
minutes
a
ago.
motherfucker, right? Fuck.
Yeah. That hot ass water. You over.
Hey, something's better than this.
Yeah. I got something in the car, bro, and that shit over.
Let me kill it.
It's hot. Oh! No, I killed you to the earth. I killed it to the earth. Nope. 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 Killed it to the eighth. Got you to the eighth. Killed it to the eighth, dog. Yeah, so let's go end it for the video. They weren't able to get the races popped off that night. Is what it is. Weather was too warm for that, so we delayed it. I do got the footage for it though. I'll drop that in the next video. But in the meantime, more and more I'm gonna keep dropping. I'm gonna get more consistent. I ain't gonna take them as long as I didn't take a break, but I'm delaying videos. I got like at least 2, maybe 3 videos I can drop on content that I did do. So stay tuned for that. I'm not even gonna tell y'all in what's with it, but y'all will enjoy it. So once again, this is B. I'll see y'all in the next video.